looks like from the front, starting towards your left, crossing with the right, open, now cross back and open. Then bring it together. Going to the left, you cross over with the left, open, cross behind with the left, and open. Now here's what it looks like from the back. Cross over with the right, open, cross over with the right again in the back, and open. Now going to the right, cross over with the left, open, cross behind, and open. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like in a full body shot with the arms. When you are traveling to the left, your right arm is going to be going around in a circle. When you travel the other way, then your left arm will be going around in a circle. All right, well, that's it. That's the Mayim step. Pretty simple. So I want you to go home and I want you to practice. Rewind this video over and over and over again until you have that step memorized. All right? If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe down there and hit the like button for me too. Thanks for watching this video, and hope to see you next time when we have our next step. Have a great day.